The Yonge Street Mission is a 124-year-old charity founded in 1896 to serve the needs of the poor and vulnerable in Toronto. We serve roughly 11,000 unique individuals every year, over hundreds of thousands of visits, and we provide all the services necessary to help them move out of poverty. With the advent of the COVID-19 virus, we took some time to really think about what are the most essential services to deliver. And we sent home staff that can work from home, and they've done that. And then reorganized everybody else to work in the front line and ramp up 3 critical services: food services, essential needs like hygiene kits and things like that, and mental health services. So those are the 3 main things that we continue to offer, and we're offering them in greater volume to try to meet the immediate needs of people in crisis. The Evergreen Centre serves street-involved youth, so individuals who are between the ages of 16 and 24 and may be homeless or precariously housed. And at that site we provide every service a youth needs, from food, clothing, health care, mental health counselling, employment, etc., to help them move forward in their lives. At the Evergreen Centre right now, in our modified service delivery, between 12 and 4 we're handing out takeaway lunches. So the youth, rather than coming in and sitting down, are taking a nice lunch away, and they're able to eat that. And then in addition to that, we have a team that goes out and delivers lunches to youth that are in encampments or in gatherings, and they're not living in shelters. So we're taking food to them. At the Davis Centre, we serve in community. So we serve families in crisis and adults who have experienced multi-generational poverty. And again, similarly, all the same services, just offered in a tailored way for the unique needs of those populations. Between the hours of 10 and 12 and 1 and 3, on Tuesday through Friday, we're actually delivering bagged groceries as an alternative way to do our food bank. So people come, and there's teams in the back that actually assemble grocery bags of 2 different sizes for different size families, and then individuals come here during the service hours and they line up at a safe distance and come and they receive their groceries appropriate for their family size. We've seen an increase in the number of people that are coming every day. So just to give you a sense, we've done the math, and as a result of reduced food deliveries from our current suppliers because of some challenges that they're dealing with, and the increased demand, we are actually having to buy more and more food. So actually our weekly deficit is just under $30,000, which is quite significant. So if you think about trying to operate for the next 3 months, even just at the current demand load, and our deficit for food as well as for our mental health costs, we need to find about $400,000 new dollars. So really, given our climate with the virus and all of us seeking to keep our distance and stop the spread, honestly the very best way to help us is to donate online. You're safe in your home, those monies come to us, we can purchase the food that we need with those monies and continue to provide it to people. And because we buy from wholesalers, we can give more food for the same amount of money than if you were to gather that and try to get that down to us. And we don't want to endanger anybody. We don't want to ask you to leave your home. So as much as we normally do take food donations directly here from people, the best bet in this climate is to go online and support us financially.